Hi there, meet Willowprint, a pioneering startup nestled with RWTH Aachen University in Germany. Our vision? To transform the manufacturing landscape through the fusion of cutting-edge technology and circular materials. Our first project introduces a line of chairs and furniture crafted entirely from 3D printed wood, a material that's 100% sustainable. Thanks to our patent-pending process, we are able to create appealing designs that, at the end of their lifespan, can be seamlessly recycled or composted. Leveraging parametric design, we create adaptable objects capable of harmonizing with diverse users and environments. Employing an LDM process, we carefully craft our pieces, ensuring they are produced and disposed as fully circular objects. This means that once their purpose is fulfilled, they can be composted or, even better, repurposed through grinding for the creation of new objects. Our multidisciplinary team is made of designers, architects and material specialists, united by a shared ambition to spearhead the revitalization of a sustainable construction industry through 3D printing and circular materials. The potential applications of this groundbreaking material are boundless, spanning from bespoke furniture to budget-friendly housing solutions. With Willowprint, the realm of possibilities is truly infinite.